You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names correctly. If you want to learn more confusing Japanese names and vocabulary that are confusing and that many mispronounce, including vocabulary that is used in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So the Japanese pronunciation here is Sanae Takaichi, or it's generally pronounced the other way around in Japanese, Takaichi, Takaichi, Sanae. So in English, if you cannot pronounce Japanese, or you're not going to pronounce this probably in Japanese, you can say it in English. You can say it as Sanae Takaichi. It's easy. Sanae Takaichi from Japanese. Takaichi Sanae. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.